Hello beautiful people, welcome again to Wendy Style. Today we have the short haircuts that are ideal for natural hair, and this haircut is that style that will always protect your hair. You can see how this hairstyle looks so fresh, and it's that kind of hairstyle that really don't need to take much time in front of the mirror. You know that short hairstyles don't need much to look gorgeous, other than some hold and definition easily achieved, with those styling products. So with this beautiful short length, you probably won't use some large accessories. You can see how the style is that beautiful style that really complements your face shape and your skin tone. So these haircuts are really perfect for women who prefer to wear the natural hairstyles for short hair, with those that want those little volume on top. So one thing with these styles is that you can always update this beautiful style by adding your favorite big earrings, because the short size lets you show off your jewelry and your beautiful jawline. I love this cut because it really blends femininity and age for our modern look. This beautiful stunning haircut is a beautiful style that is all tight curls and high shine. At this time when women are celebrating their natural hair more than ever, these styles are absolutely in vogue and with good reasons. So I just want you guys to please wear your short hairstyles, because it's that perfect balance that will always give you that ideal haircut for those beautiful black women that are overaged, because you can see how the haircuts are so beautiful and makes them look so youthful. So I just want you guys to serve the styles we have. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. I just want to appreciate everyone. God bless you guys and see you in my next video.